All right, for this problem, which of these integrals diverges? Either none of them do, or just Roman numeral 1, or maybe 1 and 2, or maybe 1 and 2 and 3. So we'll start with 1. This is an improper integral because this integrand is not defined on this closed interval from 0 to 4. It's not divided to 3. So we'll have to set it up this way, and then we can evaluate it properly, and it diverges toward infinity. So A is not an answer. Time to check B. All right. Doing this one, it is also an improper integral. So we'll take the limit as a finite real value B approaches infinity. And this will be a U substitution for the antiderivative. You can slow it down if you need to look at any of the details there, but as B approaches infinity, this thing approaches 1/16. So this one does not diverge, it converges. So that means it can't be this one and it can't be this one, which both include 2, which doesn't diverge. So B is the only answer. That's how you do number 103.